Hey y'all, okay, so you know I try on a whole lot of clothes. And sometimes they can be a little bit wrinkled. Y'all, Jack and Rose sent me over a gift and I'm excited to unbox it and show you guys exactly what it's working with. Let's get into it. Here's a very wrinkled dress. Y'all, I tried to find the most wrinkled thing that I could. And I just simply laid it over and just started steaming it. It was easy for me to use. It worked very quickly. As you can see, on the right is the after. On the left is the before, girl. Listen, I'm gonna be honest, y'all. Typically, I would just take some of these items to the dry cleaners and let the dry cleaners do the hard work. But if I have to and I don't have the time, this would definitely work for me. I put it on high personally. And like I said, I didn't have anything fancy to hang it on. I just put it over the back of a chair. And for me, it was really, really, really quick and really, really, really easy. Because y'all know I'm a procrastinator, so it's not like I'm finna steam this with a whole bunch of time left over. 9 times out of 10, I'm finna be on my way walking out the door. And I'm finna throw this over a chair and try to steam it really, really quickly and get my best bang from my buck, as well as with the timing. Now, the same thing with this red kimono. It was very simple, very easy, and most times I didn't have to make several passes. It's just looking like this because of the fact that I didn't hang it up on the door or didn't have anything particular to hang it up, but just threw it over the chair itself. But again, very easy, very simple, and it did a great job. There is something about this steamer that is definitely sitting right with me. You guys let me know down below in the comments exactly what you think. I will also make sure to include a link so that way you guys can get your own steamer. I really, really like this Jack and Rose travel steamer. I love all of the different options. And I also like that I don't have to put the water in it. I can just use it as a regular iron. And I'm gonna make sure, since I am going on a trip pretty soon, that I make sure that I put my Jack and Rose steamer in the luggage.